Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. This is the time to have a look at Week 8 English Literature Assignments. As you know that we are reading the novel The Lost Word, and in this week we are dealing with chapter number 4. My students, before actually getting to know what you are supposed to do in written work, let's have a recap of chapter number 4. As all of you know that till this chapter, Edward, along with Professor Challenger and other companions, rode down the river for several days. When the river became shallow, they continued their journey on foot while carrying backpacks with ammunition, food, and other provisions. They set up their camp at the foot of the cliffs and discussed how they were going to climb to the plateau at the top of the cliffs. Then they discovered an old abandoned camp with empty meat tins and bottles and a newspaper. My dear students, before moving on, Professor Challenger assumed that the camp belonged to Mapplewhite. Lord John also found a signpost which was a clue left by Mapplewhite. They also came across a thick patch of bamboo, and there they found a human skeleton. From the initials engraved on the watch of the skeleton, they identified it as an American James Culver. They continued their journey and then found a chalk-drawn arrow that led them to a cave. That cave led to a tunnel, but it was blocked by a rock fall, and eventually they returned to their camp at the base of the cliff and decided to continue their search next morning. Now, let's have a look at this week's objectives. You will be able to reread the chapter and then you will write about an adventure you would like to go on. My dear students, for your convenience and better understanding of the chapter, I have provided you with some words and their meanings. Let's have a look at them. Row, to transport in a boat. Canoe, a long, small, narrow boat. Summit, the topmost point. Abandoned, no longer inhabited by someone. Gasp, to draw breath in horror. Curious, tending to ask questions. Ammunition, firearms like powder, shells, rockets, etc. Students, ask yourself a question. Do you like adventures? And I know that your answer will be yes. So, your writing task is to write about an adventure you would like to go on. In your writing, you will include following points. Where do you want to go and what do you want to see there? How do you wish to travel? Will it be a road trip or a boat trip? How long will you plan your adventure for? Which friend would you like to take? What things would you need? My dear students, I hope that this video will surely help you in understanding your Week 8 English Literature assignments. I wish you all a very productive and fruitful week ahead. Thank you so much.